order by, sort, or arrange data in ascending order by default. Syntax is select column name city from table name office, order by column name city, the column which you want to arrange or sort in ascending order. If the column has the varchar data or the text data, it will sort in alphabetical order. If a column has numeric data, it will sort from smallest to greatest in ascending order. You can also specify ascending and descending orders, like order by column name and then ASC for ascending and DESC for descending. So here it is ordering this city table in ascending order, like A, the city starting with A would come first, and then Chicago starting from C, then Denver, D, S, San Diego. Here we are ordering sales table or sorting sales table in descending order. Sales has the numeric data. Select sales from sales table, order by sales descending DESC, and it will arrange the data from largest to smallest. You can also give more than one column after order by. So select start from employee table, order by, I'm giving two columns, first name and salary separated by comma, and it will sort the first name in alphabetical order and the salary from from smallest to greatest.